Hey everyone! If you want to organize your documents and let AI answer questions using your own information, NotebookLM makes it incredibly easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AI knowledge base with NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account to access the dashboard. Next, click Create New Notebook and give your notebook a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Now upload your source materials. You can add PDFs, Google Docs, text files, copied text, or other supported documents that you want the AI to learn from. After that, wait while NotebookLM processes your files and builds a knowledge base using the information you've provided. So once your sources are ready, use the chat panel to ask questions about your documents. You can request summaries, explanations, comparisons, or find specific information based on your uploaded content. Next, continue adding more sources whenever needed. The AI updates your notebook and uses all available documents to provide more complete and accurate answers. Finally, organize your notebooks by topic or project so you can quickly find the right knowledge base whenever you need it. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created an AI knowledge base with NotebookLM. Now you can search, summarize, and interact with your own documents using AI, making research and learning much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.